हम लोग वर्क प्लेस पे कई बार ऐसी चीज़ें बोल जाते हैं एंड समटाइम्स हमारी इंटेंशन वो बोलने की नहीं होती है, बट हम सामने वाले को हर्ट कर बैठते हैं, उसको हम समझ नहीं पाते एंड वी आर लेफ्ट कंफ्यूज्ड कि यार मैंने ऐसा क्या बोला कि मेरी बात को उसने ऐसा परसीव कर लिया। होता है ऐसा। वर्ड्स आर इंपॉर्टेंट, इनफैक्ट वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। कौन सी बात कब कहाँ और कैसे कही जाती है, अगर आपने ये बात समझ ली तो आपकी बात मान ली जाती है। Misunderstandings would cease to exist in any relationship, provided you know what to say, where to say, when to say, and how to say. In this video, I would share 10 phrases that you should avoid at your workplace. In the professional world, आपकी communication skills, it can either make your career or break your career. आप अपने clients, customers, managers, colleagues के साथ क्या words use करते हैं? In fact, आपकी जो emails हैं, उसमें आप क्या words use करते हैं बहुत matter करता है. We need to understand that and also respond accordingly. कौन आपकी email पढ़ रहा है? कौन आपकी बात सुन रहा है? किससे आप बात कर रहे हो? आपकी इंटेंशन क्लियर है, कोई डाउट नहीं है, लेकिन जो आपके एक्शंस हैं, जो आपके वर्ड्स हैं, वो बहुत मैटर करता है. इट डिपेंड्स ऑन आवर प्रोफाइल. हो सकता है कि हमें किसी को पर्सुएट करना हो या फिर कन्विंस करना हो या डेलीगेट करना होगा. हर काम को करवाने के लिए सही वर्ड्स यूज करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. यू कैन नॉट एक्सपेक्ट टू यूज द सेम सेट ऑफ वर्ड्स फॉर डिफरेंट पीपल. बॉस, पेरेंट्स, मेड, किड्स, स्पाउस, टीम मेंबर्स, फर्क होगा. हम अपनी डे टू डे कम्युनिकेशन में बहुत बार सॉरी और थैंक यू बोल देते हैं. हाउएवर प्रोफेशनल वर्ल्ड में उसे किस तरीके से यूज करना है वो एक आर्ट है. बिकॉज इफ यू डू नॉट नो दैट, इट माइट क्रिएट अ नेगेटिव इम्पैक्ट ऑन योर करियर. सो द फर्स्ट वर्ड और फ्रेज दैट यू शुड अवॉइड, कोशिश करेगा at the workplaces, I think. Avoid saying I think. Why? It might show that you are not an expert and you don't believe in yourself. Instead, try to say, in my experience or in my knowledge. Using these words will help in authenticating your knowledge. Dusra, avoid saying, sorry to bother you. Why? Because when you use such words, you allow your co-workers or boss to have control over your actions. They might deny listening to you. Instead, say, excuse me, do you have a few minutes to discuss a matter? Or, whenever you have few moments, I would like to discuss something with you. Try this. The third phrase that you should avoid saying, is that okay? Is that okay? Why? Framing confirmation like a question might make you look insecure and underconfident. Instead, say, let me know if you have some questions about this. Much better. Much better. Fourth, avoid saying, that's not my job. That's not my job. Why? Even though you might be partly correct about this, कि वो आपका काम नहीं है. Saying such a statement shows that you're not a team player and unreliable. याद है इंटरव्यू के दिन आपने कहा था, Sir, I'm a team player. I love to work with everyone, sir. और आज, not on my job. Instead say, this doesn't fall under my job description. However, if I have to do this work, can you help me prioritize my tasks better? Fifth, avoid saying, it's not my fault. No, it's not my fault. Why? The statement might project you as a proud and underconfident person. Instead, say, how can I help you fix this problem? Be a problem solver. Not like, मेरी गलती थोड़ी ना है, मैं नहीं जानता इसको. how can I help you fix this? Number 6, avoid saying, I don't have time for that. No, I'm quite busy. Why? Telling a coworker or your boss that you do not have time for them can seem a bit rude. It might show that you have poor time management skills. कि आपको फर्क नहीं पड़ता, सिर्फ अपने आप से मतलब है, औरों को हेल्प चाहिए या फिर बात करना चाह रहे हैं, टाइम नहीं है. Instead say, I would be happy to discuss this with you after finishing my task. Can we discuss this matter around, say, 3 p.m.? Works? Great. Getting it? The power of communication, power of words. Point number 7, avoid saying, I'll try, yeah. I will try, yeah. Why? The word try can show that you most probably would not do it. Pakka nahi hai. After all, do or do not, there is no try. Yeah, absolutely. Do or do not, there is no try. Instead say, I'll do it. And if you feel that you cannot do something because of any specific reason, clearly say no. It is better to be clear rather than leaving people hanging by telling them you will try. I would love to assist you. However, I have a few commitments lined up. It would be a challenge for me. At least your intention was that, you know what, I really want to help you, but aap kar nahi pa rahe ho. Than saying, get lost. Number 8, avoid saying sorry. Sorry तो बचपन से सिखाया है, क्यों नहीं बोलना चाहिए? Using sorry in daily conversations can project that you don't value yourself or your own time. For instance, don't say, sorry for interrupting. Instead say, thank you for taking the time to answer my question. Much better. Thank you for taking the time to answer my question. Sorry nahi. Friendship nahi. No thank you. No sorry. 9th one, avoid saying, you're wrong. Getting it? You are wrong. Why? Because saying this to your co-workers might sound rude. It shows that you do not want to take responsibility for your actions. हो सकता है कि वो गलत हो, उसके बावजूद, instead of saying that you are wrong, it's a different perspective. कोई भी सही या गलत नहीं होता, सिर्फ अलग होता है. Instead say, I have a different opinion on this. And here's why I think like this. What do you think about this? This way, you are straightforward, but also open for discussions than saying, you're wrong. You're absolutely wrong. You get this? You're dumb. You're stupid. Doesn't work. The 10th word, avoid saying, am I making sense? Yes. Am I making sense? You may ask this to check in on your effectiveness. It's fine at sometimes, but sometimes it could backfire, and the way you sound, your expressions, am I making sense? Or I make sense so far? There's a difference. Instead say, I look forward to hearing your thoughts. Yeah, I really look forward to hearing your thoughts. Now tell me, have you used any of these inappropriate words or phrases in your office? किया है तो आज से नहीं करोगे. और from these 10 phrases जो आपको best लगे, maybe best 2, वो comment करके बताना मुझे, so that you become a great speaker, a great communicator, और आप अपने professional life में और personal life में बहुत grow करो. Wish you all the best. Until then, stay awesome, stay productive.